How to pair the Fort Smart Doorbell. First, open the ClickSmart Plus app onto the home screen and tap the Add Device button. Or, if you already have devices connected, tap Add Devices in the top right hand corner. Make your way to the ESP tab and select Smart Doorbell. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the doorbell into pairing mode and confirm. Connect the app to the same network as your device and follow the instructions using the on-screen QR code until you hear the tone. The Fort Smart Doorbell will register to the app and network and initialize. Once your Fort Smart Doorbell is paired, you can rename it to customize your setup. If you're having issues with connecting the doorbell, try the alternative Easy mode and follow the on-screen instructions. Your Fort Smart Doorbell is now ready to go. You can easily configure the camera settings, including night mode and PIR sensitivity, while simultaneously accessing other camera feeds and initializing two-way communication. All Fort Smart Security products are compatible with Alexa and Google devices.